Welcome to Teaching Values to Children. Kudos for being here, first of all, since of course it most likely means that you are interested in making a difference in the life of your child or your students or children on whose lives you may have an impact. This is of course a self-paced class, so you're going to be navigating the different areas at your convenience. But we do strongly suggest that you follow the class in order. You will definitely get more out of it this way. Also keep in mind that while you will be completing the course at your convenience, that it will only be live during the school year because we usually make any adjustments based on feedback and evaluation during the summer break. And this allows us to improve the content as well as keep it current and relevant. So like I said, while it is a self-paced course, you have to keep in mind that it will not be available after the school year ends. This video will serve as a course tutorial or a course navigation tutorial aimed to give you a clear idea of how to navigate the course as well as what to expect and how to get the most out of it. In regards to the materials needed, the course will provide links to readings and videos and any of the resources that we point you to in order to fulfill the objectives of the course. Because we highly recommend some of the books that are included in the course or that we extract readings from, you will find a complete list in the resource repository. In regards to navigating the course, the very first area that I would like to point out is the home page. In the home page, you are going to find any special announcements of, for example, if we add anything new to the resource area or any events or webinars that we recommend. For the most part, these announcements will not affect the content of the course, but this will be essentially our bulletin board to let you know of any interesting news or resources that we may find. Once you navigate away from this page, you can always get back to it by clicking on the home page link, which is found on the course's main menu, which appears vertically on the left. The course is divided into 3 units, which are in turn composed of lessons. Each component has been designed to accomplish a given set of objectives. So it is important that you conscientiously complete each exercise. Again, we cannot stress enough the importance of completing the activities in order. Once you're ready to begin the course or access any part of the course that you need to go back to, you will click on the link to the desired unit on the main menu. So for example, once you're ready to start the class, you will be clicking on Unit A and beginning with that content. Once you finish Unit A, you will be going onto Unit B by clicking on the link and so on. Once you click on the unit page, you will see the different lesson folders within that unit. You can then access the content for each lesson by clicking on the appropriate folder. Each folder will contain all of the activities for that lesson, and you will see that it is in the order in which you should complete them. There are also links to each lesson on the main course menu so that you can go back at any point easily if you need to. So for example, if you're on lesson 3 and you want to go back to lesson 1 within the same unit, or if you are in a different unit altogether, you don't have to go back to the unit page to then access that lessons folder. You can just click on the direct link, which is always visible regardless of where you are in the course. A couple of places that I want to point out within the menu as well, the wikis and the blogs. Essentially, some of the activities within the lessons are going to ask that you participate by adding your thoughts to a wiki or even posting on some blogs. And although there are links where within the lesson when you need to complete those, if you ever wanted to go back to just the wikis and just the blogs independent of the lessons, there are direct links on the course menu as well. Another area that I would like to point out is the resource repository. Essentially, it contains a couple areas. One has suggested readings, books, links, videos, etc. that we, the course creators, recommend. And another area is shared resources. This is a place where you can share any information or resources that you find, such as links or videos, or anything that you may feel could be useful to the rest of the learning community. You will also find a folder with some inspirational quotes on values that you can use, either during instruction or you can use personally. Finally, there is a feedback area, and in here you will find a place where you can link to our email addresses, because obviously this is a self-paced class that doesn't really have instructors per se. It's kind of hard to know who to ask any questions that you may have. So absolutely, we are available for any of your questions via email, and this is where you'll find our addresses. Also, in the feedback area, you will find a link to a survey, which helps us improve the course. So we definitely appreciate if you took the time and followed this link after you finish the course. You will be directed or prompted in the last lesson to complete the survey. But again, this is where it's found. It's in the feedback area. So you are ready to get started with the course, and let's go make a positive impact in the life of a child. Again, if you have any questions, you can use a help area for any technical help, or you can use the feedback links for questions. Good luck!